Hello learners, welcome back to Wizartist. Today we are going to know more about the topic water. Water is an element important for all kinds of life, without which life is not possible. We all know that water is very important for not just human life but for every organism that survives on this earth. So let's know more about water, the source of life. Water has been on earth since life started and has become an important element for organisms since then. Without water, neither animals nor plants can survive. Thus, we, the organisms living on earth, can say that water is the source of all life forms. Water is an element that is colorless, tasteless, and odorless. But without it, life on earth is not possible. There are various forms of water, and every form is important. Those various forms are glaciers. They melt to give birth to rivers. Water in rivers, seas, etc. They are used in various ways by various organisms. Water vapors in the atmosphere play an important role in the water cycle. The sources of water. Now, we all know water is important, but where do we get water from? Water is everywhere, but there are some sources through which we can access it. Some of these sources are. So let's know about the sources. So the sources are of two types: natural, rivers, lakes, stream, sea and oceans come under natural water sources. And in artificial water sources, well, tube well and hand pump come. Now let's know about the power of water. Hydroelectricity is the power that water possesses. Hydroelectric energy, also called hydroelectric power or hydroelectricity, is a form of energy that harnesses the power of water in motion, such as water flowing over a waterfall to generate electricity. It is used as an alternative source of energy for generating electricity. So we know that water is used by us for our daily chores, but also water has the power of hydroelectricity and it gives us power when it is in motion. One of the main power of it is generating electricity, and this is an alternative source, also a renewable source of energy for generating electricity. Now let's know about the various uses of water. We all know that we use water in our day-to-day life. A day without the usage of water is an unfinished day. So now let's know the various uses of water. Water is used by humans in various ways, and the domestic uses are for drinking, for cleaning dishes, for cooking, for watering plants, for washing clothes, for bathing, for washing car, etc. In our body, let's know the use of water inside our body. We might know the uses of water when we use it physically, but in our body also, water plays an important role. It regulates our body temperature. It prevents our body from dehydration, which can even cause death. Removes toxin in form of sweat and urine, and it absorbs the nutrients from the digested food. Now let's know the use of water in industries. Farmers use water for irrigation. Water is used for manufacturing food products. Water is used for making papers. Water is used in refineries. Water is used in medical production. and also it is used to produce hydroelectricity. In industries, we are not using the water, but still the source comes to us. Like the farmers use water for irrigation and the food comes to us. It is also used for manufacturing various food products like jam, pickle, etc. Also, it is used for making papers, means by in the procedure when making a paper, water is involved. It is also used in refineries, which are places where petroleum and coal are refined to get various products. Also, it is in medicines. Also, it is used for producing hydroelectricity. Humans are destroying water sources. Everyone knows the importance of water. But still, humans are polluting the beautiful sources of water, which is not good for our environment. Humans throw garbage carelessly in rivers. The waste of factories is spilled in the rivers, which pollutes them and is a big problem. This pollution has become the reason for death of aquatic creatures, and these deaths are making many species in danger, and maybe one day they will become extinct and it will all be our fault. This pollution has also created many waterborne diseases which are harming mankind like jaundice, cholera, etc. Thus, it is concluded that water pollution is not only harming animals and plants but mankind also. So, we should stop water pollution. So, water pollution might just seem ugly. No, it even has some very bad effects on our earth. Like it turns the water toxic, which results in the death of creatures and they are becoming endangered species. Also, it has created waterborne diseases as toxic water releases many bacteria and other germs, creating new diseases which are harming mankind. Also, in villages where proper water supply is not available, and if people drink water from these polluted rivers or lakes, they get ill, and some of these diseases are very dangerous and can also cause death. Also, people in villages or other rural areas, also in some suburban areas, the same polluted water is used for the daily chores, which can be really harmful. So we can say that polluting water is not only harming animals and plants, but it is also harming us, humans. So we should stop polluting water. Let's conserve water. We all know how important water is. In spite of this knowledge, we keep on wasting water, which might result harmful. So let us start conserving water. Here are a few steps to conserve water. Turn off tap while brushing your teeth. Repair all the leaks in your home. Avoid using bathroom showers and try bathing using bucket and mug. Reduce playing with water. Follow rainwater harvesting. Don't throw waste in water resources. Try being quick while taking showers. So these are a few ways that we can do ourselves to conserve water. Slogans on water conservation. So here are a few slogans on water conservation. Delete water pollution and insert water conservation. Delete water wastage and click on save. Don't save polluted water. Delete leaks and insert rainwater harvesting. Insert save water for life. Insert blue or green will be deleted. You will understand the importance of water when it will get deleted. Don't delete the best picture called water. Thank you everyone. Hope this helped you and hope you learned many new things from here. I also hope that you have learned to conserve water. So let's save Earth through saving water. Thank you. Bye. Like, share and subscribe.